guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna learn about event handling in Discord Go. So in this tutorial you're gonna see me setting up two events like ready and message create event and using that to get a reply back from Discord. So here we go. So let's open the Visual Studio Code and scroll down, and we can see that our old code. So we're gonna export our old code and modify to make compatible as of event using event handler. So we will first create a event folder and then add ready.go and then just copy our ready event from there, and we're gonna paste it to our go file, the ready.go file. Then we have to include our packages and also mention which package we are using. Now, like, we have to import fmt and our Discord Go main library, because it is mainly necessary as it uses the session and the event as the pointer over there. So we're gonna import fmt and we're gonna import discord.go. I think we have to disable the copilot here. Yeah, so we're gonna mention, or you can just copy it from our main.go file. It is that simple. So I'm gonna copy it from there. So after copying the file, the errors will be resolved, but there will be a slight warning about the event, the function is not used till now. So we have to use it in our main file. So I have to remove that .ready function because it doesn't exist anymore, and I have to import our custom made function from our ready.go file in the events folder. So we can just copy our path and just paste the path over here, and we have to use the /event as is based on the file structure, I mean the folder structure, and you have to just mention events.ready. So it can easily get the ready by using the ready. We have to capitalize the ready name because that's how we use functions in Go. The first letter we have to capitalize it, and then we can just run our pod. So we will type go run dot, and there we go. Our tutorial bot is online as it used to be, and if you want to verify that it is working or not, then we can just change our status if you want. So I'm gonna change it to from events event handler. So I have to stop the bot and restart it. So after restarting, you can see the event has changed from event handler. So our ready event is being made. So we have to go to our another event, which gonna be messaging event, or receive, like the event can receive message events from Discord. So first we have to create a message.go file, as it will serve as the basic, and we can just copy our ready function because the structure will be mostly the same, just some of the parts will be different. Just we have to rename it, and also we are gonna take a help from the regular docs of discord.go. So yeah, after we go to their repository, we can go to the examples and just use their ping pong example, as it is a like ready-made event with responses. So we can just use the message create event and the code inside there. So I'm just gonna copy the inside material or the inside code from there. So I can just relate that message create is not necessary now. The function can be any of the name, so I can just copy it from here and just paste it here over here. There will be some errors because they are using as s, they're pointing to the s. So I'm gonna do the same over here, because it really doesn't matter whatever you use to point the variable to it. The variable name doesn't really matter here. So after I just point it we can just remove their comments and their explanations from there. And I think we can restart our bot to see whether it works or not. So let's restart. Okay, we have to import that event over here. So s dot add handler, then parenthesis using events dot message. So yeah, you have to remove the parenthesis over from there. Okay, so restart our bot and go and check whether we can get a reply ping. So we're gonna type over here ping. Let's type ping. Oh, we didn't get a response. So okay, so I think there is an intent error. So we can just go to the Discord developers portal, go to our tutorials bot, and click on bot, then search for message content intent, which is our last option, and we have to enable it because we want to receive message events from Discord. And then we have to go to the example repository of discord.go, and also we have to mention our intents in our code also, so that our code also understand that we want to receive events. So we're gonna mention at the top before handling the events, just remove the dg to s because we have pointed at s or mention it as s as our client. You can just restart it and go check in our Discord that whether it is working or not. So I will again write ping, and here we go, we got pong from the bot. So this is how you can really make a really simple event handler for your bot. It may sound complex, but it is not. It is very easy to make such events like interaction create event, which we gonna learn in our next video. Till then, bye bye.